When you testified last Friday, then Monday and Tuesday, when you were being questioned by Lawyer Love, that's what I'm focused on, okay? Miss Love, asking you questions?
Yes.
Some people may have observed that you said a lot I don't recall. Remember that?
Yes.
All right. Is there a reason that you were saying that when being asked questions by the prosecutor?
Because a lot of it I don't remember. Like, probably at the time, I probably didn't remember. A lot of it I don't remember still.
Okay. You were also asked by Lawyer Love whether she can get you any medication. You said you were not feeling well.
Yes.
And you said you refused that. You wouldn't take anything from the state. I think you said something like that. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Why would you say that?
I mean, how I felt at the moment, shit, like they were going to kill me.
Okay. I want to go into a couple of areas. There's been a talk about Jeffrey's windshield of his vehicle being shot out with a bullet late 2014. Do you know what I'm talking about?
I remember hearing something about it.
Say it one more time.
I remember hearing something about it.
Okay. Did that, to your knowledge, did Jeffrey, to your personal knowledge, was he worried about that windshield?
Not that I mean,
I can't
not
hear
that I know, no.
And did you tell that to the police?
I don't remember if I did.
Do you remember you personally seeing, or even doing, that when people were around Jeffrey or in his home, they would steal from him? Is that true?
Objection, relevance, and speculation.
Sustained.
How about this? You would steal from him at times.
No.
Kenneth Copeland would steal from him at times.
I don't know.
Okay. Do you know whether Mr. Garlington would steal from him?
Your Honor, objection again for the same reason, relevance.
Do you remember?
Speculation.
Sustained.
Do you remember telling the police that many people, including the people I just named, would steal from Jeffrey Williams?
I ain't never stolen that from nobody. So.
Let's leave you out of it. Let's leave you out of it. Do you remember telling the police that other people would steal from him?
I don't remember, but I probably did say it.
Now, you had discussed with the prosecutor something like a tweet. I believe it was characterized by Miss Love, something to the effect of, we shoot at you and you call the police, you shoot at us and we don't. Something like that. I'm not quoting, but do you remember that question?
I remember the question.
Did you ever see a tweet like that involving Jeffrey?
No.
Did they ever show you a tweet like that involving Jeffrey?
No.
With regards to your tweet, and it is State's Exhibit number, if we could put it up, Your Honor, it's already in evidence, and it is State's Exhibit number, give me 1 second, 471Y, if you don't mind. Your Honor, I apologize. It is 471Y. I was given the other part of it, so I apologize. If we could display 471Y.
Okay.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much. If you can look at this, I believe you were already asked about this. And I'm going to, you recognize this? It's already been in evidence?
Yes.
Okay. Do you see that?
Yes.
And do you remember being asked questions about this?
Yes.
And it says they can F with us if they want. We're going to bring them homicide at 30 deep _D. You see that?
Yes.
Okay. And you told the jury, I believe, that this was part of a song. Is that true?
Lil Wayne.
Say it again.
Lil Wayne song.
And do you remember the song Mobb by Lil Wayne?
I think it was on Carter 2 or Carter 1 on.
Okay. We're going to show you and let you listen to something quietly and tell us if this is the song you're referring to, okay?
Okay.
And Your Honor, this is going to be Mr. Williams number 264.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. And is that a Lil Wayne song?
Yes.
Your Honor, I move for the admission of Mr. Williams 264, and then specifically, once it's oriented, if it's admitted, play for the jury the track that the time that I'm going to announce.
And the state objects to the playing of this song to show that it has this line in it. We're not disputing that, so we object to that as relevant, on relevance grounds.
You're just playing that one line. All right, it's admitted.
And Mr. Kokomo, before you play, just announce the time on the song, if you don't mind, that will be played for the jury. And Mrs. Zachary, just for clarity, this is a Lil Wayne song that you know to be on the Carter 2 or 1, you said?
Yes.
And the song is called The Mobb?
Yes.
Okay. Mobb, Miss Winfrey is M-O-B-B. What? You know what number? 14 seconds? 14 seconds to 20 seconds. Your Honor, it's 14 seconds to 20 seconds.
Thank you.
If you can listen and just tell us if this mirrors the State's Exhibit 471Y, what you wrote, okay?
Young money, motherfuck the other side. They can fuck with us if they won't. I bring them homicide. Word to my...
That's it. That's it.
Okay. Now, you were also asked about terms of slat. Do you remember that?
I remember being asked about it.
And slime.
Yes.
Okay. Is, to your knowledge, and blat, I think they asked you about blat. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes, I remember asking about it.
Are those terms in songs?
A lot of songs.
Okay. Including Jeffery songs?
Yeah.
And is it on social media as well? If you know, you personally observe.
I heard people saying on social media.
Okay. And you've heard people say it in the streets as you walk by?
Oh, I don't heard everybody. A lot of people say it.
Okay. It's part of the vernacular, that's a bad word. The vocabulary?
Yeah.
All right. Anything by the use that you could tell the jury in your own observation of life of the word slat or blat or slime that means that someone's going to commit a violent crime?
Objection, Your Honor. Objection, unless it relates to this witness. It would be speculation, and it would invade the province of the jury with respect to committing a violent crime, and it would call for speculation outside of his own.
Sustained as to speculation, I think overruled as to that